Ready to take your crypto strategy to the next level in 2025? The Canadian way? Forget the hype and wild guesses. What you need is a smart, data-driven trading platform built for precision and long-term performance. That's where True North Capital comes in. An advanced AI-powered trading solution crafted for serious investors who want real results. Whether you're just starting your journey or managing a well-diversified crypto portfolio, True North Capital gives you round-the-clock intelligence and automation right at your fingertips. Heads up, only use the official True North Capital link in the description below. It's your secure access point. Plus, you'll unlock a welcome bonus when you sign up. Crypto in Canada is rapidly evolving, with volatile price swings, flash reversals, and brief windows of opportunity that open and close in seconds. Miss one beat, and a profitable trade might be gone. That's why True North Capital is designed to give you an edge in today's fast-moving digital market. It uses next-gen artificial intelligence to track price movements in real time, monitor institutional whale activity, scan breaking news across global markets, and execute trades with surgical accuracy. Think of it as your silent co-pilot, always on, always optimizing. No technical background? No problem. True North Capital does the heavy lifting. It runs seamlessly in the background, analyzing market data and executing trades based on preset strategies. You stay in control while saving time and avoiding emotional decision-making. Security? Fully covered. True North Capital connects directly with top-tier exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, offering deep liquidity, low trading fees, and robust protection. Your funds stay in your custody, and you can pause, modify strategies, or switch to demo mode anytime. Whether you're investing your first $100 or managing a six-figure portfolio, True North Capital scales with you. Thousands of users, including many across Canada, are already using its automation to generate consistent, data-backed returns. Stay secure. As True North Capital grows in popularity, imitation sites are appearing. Don't fall for scams. Only use the official verified link below. Have questions? Our Canadian-based support team is here 24/7 to walk you through every step. Want to stay informed on crypto trends and AI trading tips tailored for the Canadian market? Subscribe to our channel and never miss an insight. Thanks for watching. Trade smarter. Stay ahead. True North Capital delivers.